let's make some squash fritters. If you've got a garden this time of the year, you have squash. This is about 2 medium yellow squash grated up. Then I chopped up a half an onion. I did this about an hour ago, and I let it sit and let it drain, and then I even pushed it through here to get some of the moisture out. This is an egg, to which I put some seasoned salt. I'm going to add, let's go ahead and add the flour. About 1/4 of a cup of flour. Good 2 tablespoons anyway. Now, I'm going to put this in here. I love this little thing. I've had it forever. Got it at the dollar store. People ask me all the time where I got it. Okay, I'm going to add some pepper. I'm not going to add a lot because I can't handle it. I'm going to add a little more salt. This is where you could add, some garlic. You could use green onions. You could use bell peppers. Oh gosh, you could just add all kinds of flavoring to this. The main thing you want to do is have that squash pretty dry. Because, anything wet going into hot grease can really splatter. Plus, this will cook a lot better. You could add jalapeno if you like jalapenos. We don't. We like them okay, except we don't like them hot. I like the flavor, but not the heat. Okay. My oil's about done. You can use whatever oil you want to. I've even seen people do these just in butter. But we like fried here. I guess we're just too southern to do it just in butter. But anyway, I'm going to kind of squash them down. We're going to fry these. We're going to cook them on both sides. Let's let this side get brown, then we'll flip them. These dries on these, aren't they beautiful? Oh, they're pretty. I put another one in there. I think it was that one. They're getting nice and golden. Whew. Cheese. You could put some hard cheese, like some sharp cheese. I wouldn't put a real soft cheese in them. Gosh, I keep thinking of all the things you could put in here. Do your thing. Oh, these look good. Right here. They'd be better on a rack instead of on this, but I didn't pull a rack out, so I'm just going to put them on the paper towels. Okay. Let's see how many more I can get. I can get at least 2 more. These have a little more egg in them because the egg went to the bottom. There we go. Get these fried up and see what we have here. Well, down to the last, dropped it, down to the last one, and you can see we've been eating one. And here's a little piece that fell off this one. Make sure you squash them down. That way they get more crisp. And, do your thing with them. It doesn't have to be yellow squash. Use your zucchini or mix it. You could be both, either one. This is really good. You could tell you what Caden would eat with it. You know what Caden would use to dip it in?
What?
Ranch dressing.
Ranch or... Yeah, probably.
They dip everything in ranch dressing. One of the things he asked me to do when he's home is to make him some homemade ranch dressing. And mine isn't totally homemade. I use the package, and then sometimes I add herbs to it too. But that's what he wants the most, is ranch dressing. And I bet you he would eat these really good because they're nice and fried and crispy. Try these. It's a good thing to do with all your excess squash. This is June 2026, and we are still getting squash.